Greetings, club members. Congratulations, the gallery is up and live. I want to thank everybody who sent in images and was patient while I was laying this thing out. I'd just like to go over a few things about using the site. One, it seems that this works better if you do not open up any other applications like Photoshop or Word or anything else. It's a very heavy graphics interface, so your graphics card is going to be taxed if you're opening up multiple applications. The other thing I've noticed, I'm a Mac person, and even though Safari is native, I've found that Google Chrome tends to work better as well. So yay for all these PC users out there. Alright, anyway, first things first, let's go into the gallery. You click on Enter. Obviously, you're faced with this and other options. A quick way to get started is just to use your mouse. If you click and drag up, you will be going forward. If you click and drag back, down, you're going back. And click to the left will swing you left. Obviously to the right will swing you right. Another quick way to navigate is to use this catalog feature down here. You see the arrows. You can just scroll forwards and backwards to find a particular image. Let's see where Phil's image is. There, our beloved President Phil. I will click on that image and that will bring me directly to his. Get a close-up view of that. Now, right now the catalog is in the way, so I will go over to here and click on this icon and that will remove that. Another good feature that I want you to know how to use is up here with this arrow, down arrow. If you click on that, it will, again, just repeat his information, who created the work, the title, the size, any information that you've given me. But it brings up two important things that I want you to be aware of. If someone hits the Inquire button, that switches them to another page where you can actually get an email from them. If you allow me to use your email address, I need your permission to do that. They will fill out their email, their message, and that will get sent to you. Another feature that I really like is the invite button. When you click on that, hopefully this is what you want to do in the very beginning, then you can use any of these social media tabs to direct to Facebook. If you click on Facebook, an invite to show people the gallery and also your work. So whatever image you do that on, that will show up in Facebook. So Phil, if he hits this on Facebook, it'll show up on Facebook. Let's do that. And I wish you well. Any questions? Email me. And congratulations again.